Hello everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I will show you how to stream on TikTok from a PC. To do this, go to any browser, Bishem Suda TikTok Studio. Go to Download Live Studio and click Download accordingly. Click Download on Windows in my case. Open this executable file and click on the Install button, after which we wait for the download to finish. After that, click the Open button. Next, log into the account. Click Login to get started. After logging into the account, accordingly, we will need to set up streaming. And let's choose the games. Here we choose a microphone, choose a webcam, click Next. Accordingly, there is an internet test, after which automatic settings will be set. That's it. Well, I was automatically given full HD 60 FPS. I'll choose Next. Choose here how the stream will go. I will have 16:9, click Finish. Next, we need to add sources, yes, where what we will display. Click Add Source. Here we select respectively either screen capture or window capture. To do this, we start some kind of game. Yes, we choose click there, capture the game, and then accordingly choose which game will be broadcast, either any full screen game or whatever you choose. Here I will choose any full screen. I pressed it. So accordingly now, after opening some full screen game application, you accordingly see that it will appear here on the screen. Well, it is necessary to add well, of course, not necessarily if you need a webcam respectively. Here it is added to the camera. Select the desired camera. Here I have full HD. I have it now using UBS, so it is not here. That's it. And of course, here you select a microphone, click Settings, and select the desired microphone here for sure. That's it. And accordingly, click the Go on Air button. That's all. Weller is here. Bye, everyone.